All right, so this is what it came with. We actually have 2 of them, so I bought a set of 2. So it came with this right here, which is actually the stand for it. And then there was also a box that was about yay big that housed the actual light bulb itself. So there is a little bag that you can use to transport by simply popping that in here. And this guy can actually be spread out by pulling on each of the 3, and you can see it can get just like this, or you can push it like that so it gets a little bit farther out. And then you'll also see there is a little nut here, or a little screw, so you can easily just screw that a little bit whenever you're looking to make it tighter and stay in place. And then the exact same thing goes for the remainder. So we can go ahead and pop this up and screw it a couple times to where we want it to be. And we can go ahead and do the same with the other one. So this right here is actually going to go inside here. So we're going to go ahead and pop this over just like so. And then we are going to twist this until it gets completely tight and we are happy with where it's located. And now you can see it will hang just like so. And you'll see on the inside, it's gonna sound weird. Trust me, you're just gonna pop it. I know that sounds weird and it sounds like it's gonna break, but it's not. So now it should be like that. This is the softbox light cover I was talking about. If we were to take this off, this is what she would look like in the end, and the light would be very aggressive. So the goal here is to have a soft light for content creation or whatever else you need. So you're gonna have this little cover, which kind of provides a sense of opaqueness to it to kind of dim down that light. And you're gonna see there are some Velcro pieces to it, which actually go on these Velcro pieces on the light itself. All I have to do is press on.